Welcome to an overview of an all-new model in Honda Sports side-by-side lineup, the Talon 1000R-4. Trust me, we know off-road enthusiasts have been waiting for this one for a long time, or at least since we introduced the Talon 1000X4 for the 2020 model year. That unit is tough to beat for bringing family and friends on tight technical trails that reward a responsive machine. But some off-road groups prefer their outings in rough, open terrain. You guys have let us know what you want, and we're happy to respond with the Talon 1000R-4. So with that, let's take a closer look. Since Honda entered the sports side-by-side market just 5 years ago, the Talon platform has grown steadily in popularity as customers value the brand's proven reputation for quality and reliability, huge considerations in the off-road world. When the Talon platform was originally introduced for the 2019 model year, two versions were offered. The Talon 1000R, designed to competently tackle rough, high-speed terrain, and the Talon 1000X, which prioritized nimble changes of direction in more technical conditions. As I mentioned earlier, it was the following year that Honda introduced its first, and until now, only four-seat version of the Talon, the 1000X4. Like the two-seat 1000X, it was designed to maneuver in technical conditions. It was also the first Talon to be offered with either standard suspension or the intelligent Fox Live Valve system. For 2021, Fox Live Valve was added as an option for the X and R two-seaters, and last year saw the entire platform benefit from important comfort-focused upgrades. Hey, it's been a fun ride, but we knew from market feedback that one thing was missing: a four-seat version of the R. A vehicle that would be built for hammering over rough ground at high velocity, but that also would be capable of bringing more friends and family along for the ride. Well, you're in luck. The wait is over. Adventures on the trail are best enjoyed in the company of family and friends. The new Talon 1000R-4 makes that possible with a spacious four-person cabin and stadium-style seating. Think of it as a 1000X4, but with a wider stance and longer travel suspension that thrive in open, high-speed terrain, delivering an unparalleled thrill for both driver and passengers. The 1000R-4 is not only a new member of the Talon lineup, but it benefits from key advancements over the previous generation of Talons, including suspension performance, comfort, styling, and more. Navigating treacherous terrain is what off-roading is all about, but it's more rewarding when done in a comfortable and controlled manner. The Talon 1000R-4's new electric power steering unit offers superior handling across the board, with an 87% increase in torque assist and a new return to center function that reduces steering effort while simultaneously enhancing responsiveness. This update drew positive reviews when it debuted on the Pioneer 1000. Smooth power delivery is critical for maximizing traction and overall ride enjoyment. For 2023, the ignition mapping has been adjusted to achieve a near seamless transition from deceleration to acceleration. In addition, the Sport Drive mode can now also be used when the transmission is in the low range, allowing for aggressive driving under heavier loads. The Talon 1000R-4 is developed for tackling all types of off-road terrain, from rocks and roots to sand and mud. To keep the driver and passengers protected from these elements, new full-coverage doors have been added for improved cabin sealing. The new doors also provide additional storage capacity and cup holders, a feature unique to Honda. Serving both style and function, the new aluminum wheels are shod with Kenda tires that feature a thicker sidewall for improved puncture and pinch flat resistance. Enabling owners to personalize the Talon 1000R-4, we have a wide range of accessories available to suit their needs, nearly 60 in all. The Talon family continues to benefit from industry-exclusive features like a high-tech dual-clutch transmission. This gear-driven system allows for both automatic and manual shifting, and it's renowned for its durability and reliability. Also returning for the new model year is another Honda-exclusive feature, four-wheel drive. This advanced system detects wheel spin and feeds torque to the wheel with the most traction, which results in lighter steering, a tighter turning radius, reduced steering kickback, and of course, more traction. The Talon lineup continues to deliver the industry-leading quality, durability, and reliability that Honda is so well known for, giving owners peace of mind when they hit the trails. So that's all the news on the updated family of 2023 Honda Talons, including its newest member, the Talon 1000R-4. I hope you're as excited as we are. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the trail.